Hey guys, after the recipe, I know these are like all the little things that Parker and I are talking about in the kitchen that maybe you guys want to hear, maybe you don't, I don't know. Hopefully you're checking it out. You know, it's just casual, right? So we just made this buttermilk fried chicken and a tomato cucumber salad. So Parks,
Yeah,
thoughts?
I can't wait to eat this.
Yeah.
I love your fried chicken, and this salad looks really cool. It's a hot day here, so
It is a
feels
hot
like,
day.
like
You
a
wanna-
summer lunch. It's
Do
perfect.
you want to try the salad first before we get our hands
Okay.
all
Okay.
chickeny?
Okay.
Tell me what you think.
Love it.
You love it?
I feel like I'm in the Mediterranean.
Oh.
How cool is that? How cool is that?
Super sweet tomatoes. The tomatoes right now, we're in June. Tomatoes are really nice in California. Cucumbers are crisp and crunchy, and the vinaigrette is light.
It's not too vinegary, which I really like. Great.
It's got nice acid, but not too much, right? Okay, let's try the chicken. What piece do you want to have first?
I'm gonna do a drumstick.
Okay, here's a drumstick.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a wing.
It's really moist.
Really moist.
Super moist. It kind of fell off. It was so good.
It is falling off the bone. Wow.
Wow.
And the breading is very light. It's crispy. It's flavorful.
Not oily.
Not greasy at all. Actually,
Oh.
it's so. There is no grease. I mean, I didn't even pat this chicken out of the oven to take any grease off, and there's like no grease on the plate. That's pretty cool. Wow. All right, so that was a success.
It's fantastic. I like it as much as the spatchcock on the grill.
You do?
No,
Yeah.
this is just as juicy. It's really nice.
It's so good. It's so good. And this would be really nice with like a cold beer or like ice cold lemonade. Right?
Yeah.
Or water.
That made my day.
Made my day.
Beautiful.
All right, guys.
Good job.
After the recipe, this is what we're doing. We're not going to eat this whole thing, don't worry. Come back, watch us again. We love seeing you.
Good job.
Good job, you.
Yeah.